I love cooking. He's getting old enough now to the point where he can get in the kitchen, learn some things. So it's time to turn this little J into a chef. I was in Walmart and I saw that they have these tortillas that's in the shape of a bowl. So I was like, instead of just making the wraps like I normally do, you know, why don't I make a
tortilla bowl?
Oh yeah, little taco bowl. So we normally like to do it with ground beef and we like to do it with shrimp. So today we're gonna be doing the same thing, shrimp, but instead of doing it in a wrap, we're gonna just make some taco bowls. So come on, let's get in the kitchen. First things first, wash your hands.
Make sure that you use soap and don't be touching all in the trash can and digging all up your booty while you cook it, because it's not proper way to cook.
Over here we got everything that we're gonna use pretty much. We got the, let me show you the tortilla. So these are the little tortilla bowls. So I was like, ooh, make some taco bowls. We normally do shredded lettuce for like ground beef, and then we use spinach for the shrimp. But we got our Fiesta blend ground beef, the shrimp, shredded lettuce. We got the fajita seasoning, the taco seasoning. We got the nasty sour cream that my wife likes. No one else eats it but her. It stinks, it's nasty, but it's great for her. And we were in the store and, well, yeah, we normally use this for the taco seasoning. It's really good. We found this in the store. There's a new Dollar General that just opened. So it's like, you know, let's try this. So we're trying this today. And of course we got the regular taco, you know, hot tacos.
Bell peppers.
And sweet peppers, of course. All right, so you can go ahead, since you know how to do that, you can go ahead, turn your stove on and put the ground beef in there and brown the ground beef.
Or you even turn the stove on. Make sure that you have an adult to help you set the correct amount to put it on. Correct temperature.
Perfect. Turn it on medium. Yes, sir. And put your ground beef in.
And does this need butter? Does this need butter?
Oh no. Now when you cook that, grease and stuff will, I mean, that'll come from it. But yeah, you don't need that. Yep.
That came out in awkward shape.
And so I'll take that. What seasonings are you gonna use when you brown your ground beef? What all seasonings?
So the first seasoning is I use Tony's. Then I use garlic powder. And then I use onion powder. Which it doesn't really matter what order you use.
Yeah. You can grab that. I'm cutting up the sweet peppers right now. Getting those cut up. Yep, good job. And then remember, like this, well you got like, but you know, season it, and you know what I say, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't season. Yes.
Now, mommy, what is the next step?
So the next step is just grab your soup. Yeah, stir it up. Try to get your seasons in there real good. Yeah, make sure you hold the side up. Yeah, there you go. Yep, perfect. And then
one more question. Will I
yeah.
have to season it again, even though it's on top? It's not in the seasoning.
No, you won't have to, because when you add in, like once it's complete and you add in your taco seasoning, no, you ain't gonna have to season it.
Okay.
So, you ready for 6th grade?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. What are you most excited about going to 6th grade?
I'm excited for the sports and how they do sports.
Oh, yeah.
That's the most thing I'm excited about.
When we went to open house and we met your teachers, how was that?
That was pretty good. At least I knew what my teachers looked like and I knew what their classrooms were.
Yeah. You think they seem nice?
Yeah, they were nice. But they're probably not nice when you get on their nerves.
Okay. Nobody's gonna be nice if you get on their nerve. Yeah, that's good.
How do you know if one side is fully cooked?
You just flatten it all out. We'll just put it on. Make sure all of it's in the bottom of the pan, not like around the edges. Yep. Then you just let it cook for a little bit, and then you toss it a little bit more. Let it cook, toss a little bit more until it's done.
All right, it's time to flip one side. What's a pro tip that you will always use in the kitchen?
What's a what?
A pro tip that you will always use, that like a safety type tip that you would use in the kitchen.
Always be clean. Wash your hands before you do anything. Don't touch other stuff. And just be careful. When you're cooking, you don't have to move fast. And just pay attention. And if you don't know something, ask. It's ground beef on the counter.
I can put that in?
You see how I just picked that ground beef up? So one thing I wouldn't do is come back over here and start back cooking and touching on stuff. So
you would go right back and wash your hands?
Yep.
Flipped another side. Now it's time to wait again.
Chop it up.
I'm gonna chop up some of this ground beef. Now what are you cutting up?
I'm still cutting up more of the peppers. And I'm about to put the shrimp on in just a second.
Oh, okay. Is there anything wrong with the amount of grease in here?
No, it just depends. Some stuff you get, it has like less fat in it, so it won't be as much grease in it in the end.
Oh, okay. Now it's time to wait for the ground beef to cook again.
Alright. What you say?
I said when you're doing ground beef, does it hurt holding your arm up and breaking it up?
No, but when I was younger it did, and that's just because like now I don't have to hold my hands up to you know.
Because you're tall and you can just break it up normally. What are you starting on now?
I'm doing the shrimp now. Add a little Tony onion, garlic. Add a little Italian seasoning.
Do you think this is broken up enough?
Yeah, that's good. Now you just pretty much let it cook, and then try your best to keep all your meat down off in the pan.
Okay.
Keep it down off. Here you go.
Do you ever have to take out some of the grease?
Oh yeah, you will in the end.
What's wrong with the grease?
You just don't want a whole bunch of fat. That's just not good.
I just finished draining the ground beef. Now it's time for some taco seasoning. I think I should open this up at the corner, or
always when you season, just fan it down and then just put it aside.
oh, okay.
And just stir it. Yeah. I'll do that while you stir.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Always hold it, yep.
Oh, and after I drained all of the grease out, I added some water into it.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
So that's down. Alright.
This food is looking good already.
So I guess what I'll go do is real fast, I'll go grab the plates and get all that goodness set up. Where are we eating it? Should we eat in the living room and do a movie? I don't know yet. We'll see.
If you want more cooking videos, comment down below.
Comment, say yes. Or like if you learned something, or if you have any ideas, like try to cook this. We're gonna try to start posting like little cooking videos, because it is something that I want JD to learn to do. I know a lot of people say like, oh, women are the ones who should cook, but no, I feel like men can cook too, because you know, once he you know, he's on his own. He'll be able to, you know, fend for himself. And, you know, I feel like cooking. Yeah. I feel like.
And the way I like it.
That's true. Because some people say, oh, like, I like this, but I wish it was, like, less salty or less whatever. But, you know, if you cook something yourself, you can cook it like you like. So.
Kind of, for example, with eggs, me and her, we like to drain ours in pepper. A lot of people, they don't like too much pepper in theirs. But we like to drain ours in pepper.
Not drain. We like this.
Drown it. Like, put it like a lot of pepper in it. What's the term for that?
We do like to add pepper. Some people don't. You know, some people even put other stuff in there, like seasoned salt and stuff like that. I don't put that in mine, but I mean, but it's not saying there's not a right or wrong way. You just make stuff the way you like. Just like with the shrimp tacos, I prefer with the shrimp tacos, I prefer spinach. Or when I do wraps, I've noticed we use spinach more than we use lettuce sometimes. So. And it's like when we do burgers sometimes, a lot of times we don't really use lettuce. We'll use spinach, especially if we do turkey burgers or something like that.
Yeah.
All right, so that's that. So now we are going to, so pretty much the ground beef is done now. The shrimp is done. So now it's time to make a boat. And that's it. Alright, y'all, so we just finished. I made the plates. I made 2 extra. We pretty much use all the sauces just to taste them. So I guess now we're about to dig in and try our little taco boats. What are you drinking?
A fruit barrel.
I got cherry Coke. A fruit barrel. I got cherry Coke.
And I got Sprite. I'm drinking out of a mug. It's my Be Happy mug.
So be happy.
Yes. Be happy.
I'm ready to eat.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna dig in and try our little taco boats.
Do you know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's a taste test.
Alright. Let's dig in. Cheers.
Which one is this? Oh, I got beef.
Alright, which one of y'all gonna try first? Beef?
I got beef.
Alright, we'll try beef first.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hold on, let me see. What sausage you put in? It got a little kick.
It's probably the taco sauce.
These bowls cute.
I know.
Okay.
Oh,
She's smacking.
and I did put it in. I put the bowls in the oven for like 6 minutes just to warm them up. These are pretty good.
1 out of 10. I give it 10.
Yeah, I like it.
Ah,
What you give it?
a 15.
Alright. So now we're gonna taste. What is this? The shrimp.
So you about halfway done with the beef. And I see.
Cheers.
I'm ready.
I think the shrimp is my favorite.
You can taste that guacamole stuff.
The guacamole stuff.
That's what-
Really?
It's good. It's sweet. Where is the guac sauce? I gotta try that.
That was pretty good.
Okay. Okay, look, avocado and lime. But because that's good. I'm glad we got this.
Yeah, I like that. That's good.
I see why people like that.
I like it.
Oh my goodness.
Mm.
Damn. Went that the wrong way. Dang, Daddy.
Dang! You about to...
What about done?
Jeez. I like the shrimp. I think might be my best, my favorite one. Which one you like most?
I can't decide.
Yeah, I can't decide either. I like both of them. You know, I like to split.
Mm-hmm.
I got half shrimp and the other half beef.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Boy, that thing butter, boy.
No, my. Okay, y'all. So we're about to tear down. Okay, you know we try to eat
Straight
cute.
up.
Yeah, we try to eat cute on camera, but this ain't gonna work because I'm finna stuff my jaws. Okay, but I just want to tell you guys, happy Taco
Tuesday.
We're gonna eat and stuff our jaws. So be tuned in for the next one. Okay, bye.
But don't forget, it might not make sense to you.
But it's what we do.
It's a J thing.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Let us know if y'all want to see more cooking videos with us.
Bye.